listen. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the tension flow out of your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe out.
stop now. I don't wanna calm back down. I don't wanna stop now. I don't wanna calm back down. I don't wanna stop now. I don't wanna calm back down. I don't wanna stop now. And I feel the chemicals. And I feel the chemicals. And I feel the chemicals. And I feel the
myself. I can't love until I learn to love myself. I can't love until I learn to love myself. Until I learn to love myself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. So learn to love yourself. Self-love and self-worth comes first, cause without all the above you will never quench your thirst. There ain't no refunds, there's nothing to reimburse. You will never find happiness and always feel cursed. I've cut many ties cause I know I need work. I've been broken hearted but my soul never burst. I know I'm more right cause I'm grounded. Earth, when you learn to love yourself, you find your true worth. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. That's why I learned to love myself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. So learn to love yourself. Now I know many people get confused with love, or they think they need someone to hold them up. You'll always be dependent if you choose that one, or let self-hate and anger lead the way you cut. Either way, you ain't really being true to love. If you don't know yourself, how can you truly touch the real highs of love where the beauty runs? I've seen revenge and neediness confuse and crush, belittle and drench, then mislead and bust. Or jealousy and pain start feuds with some, or people acting clingy cause the blues have won. Cause no one else can lift you if you choose that, hun. Your first relationship is with you, the one. Once you've worked out yourself, that's when you've begun. You've started the journey to what you can become. It's all on you, that's when you choose to love. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. That's why I learned to love myself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. You can't love until you learn to love yourself. So I learned to love myself. I've never been broken, just heartbroken. I lost my focus, but I was never hopeless. No one had patience or coped with how open. I've always been honest with the words that I've chosen. I am outspoken, every song's a token, and you can find a message in everyone cause they potent. When your energies align and your soul shines golden. When you know yourself, you found the real potion. send for the guillotines. My killer team's on bigger schemes, chasing bigger dreams, been going hard since I was in my teens. This is kinda mad, this is kinda mad. My products of my mum, my products of my dad. Always got the bag since I was a lad. My fans are trying to rush it like it's Stalingrad. This is kinda mad, this is kinda mad. My products of my mum, my products of my dad. Always got the bag since I was a lad. Now fans are trying to rush it like it's Stalingrad. Like it's Stalingrad. Killer bees, heads are coming clean off, we send for the guillotines. My killer team's on bigger schemes, chasing bigger dreams, been going hard since I was in my teens. This is kinda mad, this is kinda mad. My products of my mum, my products of my dad. Always got the bag since I was a lad. Now fans are trying to rush it like it's Stalingrad. This is kinda mad, this is kinda mad. Products of my mum, my products of my dad. Always got the bag since I was a lad. Now fans are trying to rush it like it's Stalingrad. This is kinda mad, this is kinda mad. Like it's Stalingrad.
Good and I'm sleeping. And on your tippy toes creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Don't say thank you. Oh please, I do what I want when I'm wanting to. My soul so cynical. So you're a tough guy, like a really rough guy. Just can't get enough guy, just always so puff guy. On that black light, making me on the side type. Make you go from that type, my secrets with that type. Duh. pretty glad that you're alone. You said she's scared of me? I'm in. So if she sees me, maybe it's cause I'm wearing milk cologne.
It's about time you fell in love with something that will love you back. And that, my friends, is drum and bass. Friends is drum and bass. It's about time you fell in love with something that will love you back. Drum and bass. Drum and bass. Drum and bass.
circle the block. Come through, now block. Say them better than we won't do them love chat. Them a wear frock, we a pass off the top. We a set trend, them a take box. No, we no beg friend, we no do that. That's them of all time, if you know that. If you this way, you must get slapped. All the selectors to play a duff cut. Cause a boy body drop, we full of tough cut. Tell the selector to come a duff cut. Tell the selector, boy just drop. All the selectors to play a duff cut. Cause a boy body drop, we full of tough cut. Tell the selector to come a duff cut. Tell the selector, boy just drop. Circle the block. Come through in our block. Set them better than we won't know them love chat. Them a wear frock, we a bust off the top. We a set trend, them a take box. No, we no beg friend, we no do that. That's them of all time, if you know that. If you this way, you must get slapped. All the selectors we play a duff cut. Cause a boy body drop, we full of tough chat. Tell the selector we come a duff cut. Tell the selector, boy just drop. All the selectors we play a duff cut. Cause a boy body drop, we full of tough chat. Tell the selector we come a duff cut. Tell the selector, boy just drop.
So high, let me know. of a memory. You pull me close. Though I'm on my own, there's a silhouette that I know. Bittersweet, but I can't let go. 'Cause you feel like home. I could fall back to the feeling of let go. So high, let no stars. You would feel like home. My body is the feeling overflows. I just can't let you go. 'Cause you feel like home. float too. You'll 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 float too.
Operation Black Cloud, Operation Subsource, engage for handover, reset the minefield. This one we plan sober. We stand closer, throw back to vessel 2. Team in position, go smack the destitute.
Ready to transmit, grid map to the free node. Construct the rhythm talk, stand by to decode. Survey the battlefield like Saito off the blacktop. Power up the ammo yield, cloaked up on black ops. I excel the white mist, cyber brain circuits locked to pinpoint my sight fixed. Brace for the kickback, zoomed in, I'm prescient. Ghost hack the firewall, squeezed on the jet, felt him respond the Messiah call.
Black sun, empire, test of time, night fire, new dawn, new day. We emerge as they fade away. Black sun, empire, test of time, night fire, new dawn, new day. We emerge as they fade away. Trails of mass movement, slowly diminishing as the earth burns. My back spurns are grimacing. Bittersweet silhouette, promise of a new age, eclipsed by a red mist or a bolt of blue haze. All I see is carrion, souls flee the starscape. Black sun empire, dawn of a dark day.
Streets climbing the asphalt, streets clouded in asphalt. Silent we remember as we step through the embers. The absence of siren sounds deafening our senses. No more pretenses, moral and public fences. Headline we tread south, gathering rooted stragglers. Silence is our language, shattered with new travelers. Battered by the heat swell, dust reflects in treetops. Futures in our hands, once we resurrect the genome.
Black sun,